Hello and welcome to Building a Better Business with Bill Malik. Today's topic is leadership. Strong organizations are built with clear principles and intentional leadership. These practices drive culture and performance. So let's look at 6 different ways to enhance leadership and build community in your business. Number 1, create culture. Culture is a strategic asset. To make it count, leaders must embed it into everything: planning, hiring, and daily operations. An intentional culture fuels alignment, engagement, and lasting success. Number 2, mission is key. A clear mission inspires purpose and drives performance. When employees align with it, engagement rises and decisions become more focused. The mission should guide every action, ensuring consistency and meaning in all efforts. Number 3, over-communicate the plan. Over-communicating the plan ensures alignment and clarity across the organization. Many leaders under-communicate goals, leading to confusion and disengagement. By delivering clear, consistent, and inspiring messages, leaders help teams stay focused and motivated. Repeating key strategies until they become part of the culture fosters unity, drives performance, and keeps everyone moving in the same direction. Number 4, hire the best fit. Hiring with rigorous discipline is essential to building and protecting a strong culture. Every new team member either enhances or harms that culture. It's not enough to hire for skills alone. A single bad hire can disrupt team dynamics and undermine performance, making disciplined hiring one of leadership's most vital responsibilities. Number 5, make expectations known. Clear expectations are key to strong performance. Most underperformance stems from vague or unspoken standards. Leaders must define roles, responsibilities, and what success looks like. When employees understand what's expected, they feel empowered and focused. Clarity removes confusion and helps people perform at their best, creating a more accountable and effective team. My last piece of advice I have to share is to foster a growth-minded workplace. A growth-minded workplace emphasizes growth, feedback, mentorship, and accountability. When organizations invest in developing, not just managing, their people, engagement and performance thrive. A strong coaching culture builds trust, strengthens skills, and supports continuous improvement across the team. Those were 6 ways to enhance your role as a leader in your business. Let's recap. Number 1, create culture. Number 2, mission is key. Number 3, over-communicate the plan. Number 4, hire the best fit. Number 5, make expectations known. Number 6, foster a growth-minded workplace. Those are some ways you can use your leadership role to boost efficiency. If you're looking for more help growing your business, scan the QR code here to book a free consultation.